Welcome back to Shib, everyone. Today's news about Samsung's innovative way to convert Shiba Inus to $3 tokens. An on-chain analytics company recently discovered that Shiba Inu was the most popular cryptocurrency in new wallets over the previous week. For the baby boomer generation, banking was a dull subject. But with the advent of programmable money, finance became exciting. Many people would likely pick Bitcoin if asked to name the coin they believe new cryptocurrency adopters have been using the most in the last week. However, it doesn't appear to be the case. Ethereum, a peer-to-peer network computer, is the second most valuable cryptocurrency by market capitalization. We will discuss the new Samsung solution to convert Shiba Inus to $3 token Shib news today. In this video, please remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to view our most recent information on expert analysis and pricing projections for Shiba Inus. Let's get the video started right now. According to Nanson's on-chain data, Shiba Inu was the most preferred non-stable coin digital asset for newly funded cryptocurrency wallets during the previous 7 days. Nanson transferred more than $56 million worth of SHIB tokens into 12,000 new wallets during that time. The ERC20 token, aside from stablecoins, was the most frequently found cryptocurrency in these balances, according to Nanson. Like the rest of the market, Shiba Inu saw a minor pullback. After rising in January, stock prices began to decline at the same time as the retreat. Many analysts and pundits blamed the crash on the Fed's increasingly hawkish interest rate rhetoric and dismal economic statistics. Binance has the largest Shiba Inu balances in SHIB. However, Wrap Ether on Uniswap and shibaswap is the most popular trading pair partner for Shib by volume. Recent false claims claimed that Shiba Inu had been delisted by Binance. However, only a few trade pairs that contained Shib were delisted by the controlled cryptocurrency exchange. The recently revealed Shibarium, an Ethereum layer to ecosystem for creating decentralized apps with SHIB as a native coin, is being anxiously anticipated by SHIB aficionados today. The largest Ethereum whales in the world have seen their Shiba Inu holdings increase by hundreds of millions of dollars in less than a week, according to new data. Since January 17th, the top 1,000 Ethereum whales have consumed almost $422 million worth of the meme asset, according to whale serving company WhaleStats. It was previously reported that the same whales had approximately $168 million worth of SHIB, which means that in just 4 days, they raised their holdings of the dogecoin competitor by an astounding 151%. Shiba Inu is currently the most valuable digital asset owned by the top 1,000 Ethereum whales, according to WhaleStats, as a result of its accumulation frenzy. The investor cohort's total Shib holdings currently stand at $584 million. Other digital assets owned by high-net-worth traders include around $65 million in Chainlink Link, an Oracle provider, $58 million in Uniswap Uni, a decentralized exchange, and $55 million in interoperable blockchain Quant, a deflationary cryptocurrency. The price of the meme token increased from 0.1045 on January 17th to a peak of 0.1210, which may have been influenced by the whale activity related to Shiba Inus. Since then, SHIB has kept rising and is currently trading at 0.126. As the ecosystem prepares for the beta release of Shibarium, a projected layer 2 for the Doge competitor, whales are accumulating Shib, like Polygon Matic, Arbitrum, and Optimism Op. The protocol will be a layer to network based on Ethereum. The recent surge in cryptocurrencies has been especially beneficial to Shiba Inu currency. The price increased significantly during the past 7 days, gaining more than 20% in value. In the upcoming month and years, many investors anticipate significant increases. John Richmond, an English-Italian fashion designer, has collaborated with a number of well-known people, including Madonna, the Rolling Stones, and Gwen Stefani. The fashion designer is now concentrating on Web3. The new strategy is based on the benefits that decentralization offers the world. Richmond's tweet claims that the innovative Web3 and the groundbreaking punk rock movement share many similarities. According to the well-known stylist, it reflects a strong energy and a yearning for change, much like the UK's punk rock movement of the 1980s. Rock and roll's spirit has always been about giving voice to the disadvantaged and disenfranchised, pushing boundaries and questioning the existing quo. Artists and members of the Web3 community are motivated by the same enthusiasm. Although John Richmond's past partnerships are deserving of a star lineup, He just shared a Vogue magazine cover featuring Snoop Dogg. The renowned hip-hop artist infused the art of fashion with a hint of West Coast culture. John Richmond's philosophy of experimenting with diverse styles is ideally aligned with the rebellious street style with a tinge of classical attire. When Snoop Dogg was featured in Vogue magazine, the SHIB Army was ecstatic. In response, numerous SHIB Army members tweeted to Satoshi Kasama, the game's primary developer, asking whether Snoop Dogg could perform in SHIB, the metaverse's Ryoshi Plaza or Bark Park. In the end, Shiba Inu's development team is working on an impending Web3 project called Shib, the metaverse. However, Shibarium, the layer-to-scaling solution, must launch before Shib, the metaverse can go online. Sir Snoop Dogg, you look amazing. Hashtag Shib the metaverse would be thrilled to have you at their concert on Ryoshi Plaza, am I correct? At Shib token hashtag SHIB Army Shib, Satoshi Kasama, the MV, can we? Nobody has said anything. As main developer Satoshi Kasama and official accounts of the Shiba Inu ecosystem provide clues about the expected date. The Shiba Inu community eagerly awaits the debut of the Shibarium layer to blockchain. Based on clues from Satoshi Kasama's Twitter post, SHIB Army thinks the beta release of Shibarium will take place on Valentine's Day, February 14th. Satoshi Kasama, the chief creator of Shiba Inu, updated his Twitter bio and included teases about the expected release of the Shibarium layer to blockchain. The updated bio reads, tending the pine tree of life, quickly learning to play the flute before putting hashtag Shibarium in a heart-shaped box with a bow. On January 20th, a Shiba Inu whale Shib bearer tweeted that Shibarium is anticipated on Valentine's Day, February 14th. The new bio, according to the Shiba Inu community, suggests that the Shibarium beta will be released on Valentine's Day, the release of documentation on basic principles, and the bone gas token by Shibarium's official Twitter account suggests the launch is imminent, even though preparations are not yet complete. According to GitHub data, Shibarium-related development activity has also grown. However, as was the case previously, unanticipated events could cause the launch to be postponed. In the meantime, whale accumulation is drawn to bone tokens and Shiba Inu. Social sentiment has reached an all-time high, and the Shib burn rate has gone up. According to a study by blockchain security pioneer Certic, Shiba Inu is the second most secure cryptocurrency project. The price of bone shibaswap is currently at about $1.43, up more than 8% in the past day due to investor and whale demand. Samsung Electronics has declared that 8 additional nations will now offer its unified mobile wallet program, Samsung Wallet. According to the IT company located in South Korea, the wallet app may soon be available in Singapore, Australia, Brazil, Hong Kong, Canada, India, Malaysia, and Taiwan. By the end of January, Samsung Wallet support will be available in these nations. In a recent announcement, the business did point out that the precise launch date would change and rely on user devices and certain markets. Samsung released the wallet app in 2022, and by the time of the most recent announcement, it had expanded from 7 countries to 21 countries since its June unveiling. Users of Samsung Galaxy devices in Korea, the United Kingdom, the United States, Bahrain, China, Denmark, Spain, Finland, France, Germany, Italy, Kazakhstan, Kuwait, Norway, Oman, Qatar, South Africa, Sweden, Switzerland, Vietnam, and the United Arab Emirates can currently access the Samsung Wallet app. The app is more than just a payment platform. It also interfaces with the Samsung blockchain wallet and has built-in proprietary security platform Samsung Knox to improve its safety features. Therefore, users with compatible smartphones can use Samsung's wallet app to monitor their portfolio of digital assets even though it is not crypto-specific. This is made possible via the wallet's UI, which provides access to Bitcoin pricing on several exchanges. That concludes today. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.